My name's Ian Golden, and I design DJ products. The difference between a DJ TechTools product and other controllers out there is that our products are designed to be fun. They're designed to be powerful, and they're designed to really make it easy to do amazing things. So how did the MIDI Fighter come about? Well, we made this product here. This is actually the original one. This guy called me from LA after I had taken my VCI 100 and had installed arcade buttons in it. And this guy in LA, Jonathan, asked me to make one for him, and I did. And it was such a hit that we started making them as a product for people. And we'd make these customized controllers with arcade buttons of people's choice. And it was really expensive to make, but people loved them, and we discovered, hey, you know what, this arcade button thing is pretty rad. We should make an arcade button controller. And so the very first controller we made was the MIDI Fighter. We wanted to find a way to actually be able to give people this customization right in the product, so they can pop the arcade buttons out, put different colors in there, build it themselves, and kind of put it all in a fun DIY kit. All right, so here we are in the DJ TechTools assembly lab. We've got Mitch here building some circuit boards for the MIDI Fighter Pro. You've got a whole stack of MIDI Fighters over there waiting to go out. We've gone from one tiny little room in my apartment, literally, to this, and now we've outgrown it, so we're moving on to something bigger. But this is where all the controllers come out of right now. Those are our new chroma caps over there. You've got 6 or 7 different funky colors, so people can customize their MIDI controllers with the color they want. And then on your right is the assembly station where we put all the MIDI Fighters together. The MIDI Fighter has grown up now, and we've added the MIDI Fighter 3D to the line. And that's this guy here. And the difference is that this is a lot more scalable. We produce these by hand in the office one by one, and it's really time-consuming to do that. And we want to be able to give people the option of changing out their buttons themselves inside the software. So what we did to make the 3D is we put a gyroscope, an accelerometer, and a compass in it. So we're actually able to predictably determine exactly where in space this controller is at any time in all 3 dimensions. So let's say I turn on a button and or I hit a button, I turn on an effect, I can then modulate that effect by moving the MIDI Fighter in either direction. Let's say I want to reduce the amount of the effect. I might tilt it forward and lower that registers. But when you're holding it, you now have the benefit of muscle memory and gravity. So you can actually use, the position of your full body. And you start to get into this kind of more musical muscle memory space where you've forgotten about the computer.